Hey there, fellow cycling enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we all know the joy of hitting the open road on two wheels. But have you ever hopped off your bike after a long ride and felt like your spine was replaced with a rusty chain? That nagging pain that just won't quit? Yeah, we've all been there. It's a common issue that many cyclists face, and it can really put a damper on your ride. Back pain is like that annoying friend who invites himself on every cycling trip. No matter how much you try to avoid it, it always seems to tag along. But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way. With the right techniques and a bit of knowledge, you can keep that pain at bay. We're about to kick back pain to the curb and enjoy cycling the way it's meant to be. Fun, freeing, and pain-free. Imagine riding without that constant ache, feeling the wind in your hair and the thrill of the journey. So buckle up, your helmet of course, and get ready to say goodbye to those aches and pains. Stay tuned as we dive into tips and tricks to make your rides more comfortable and enjoyable. Let's get started. Let's get real for a second. Back pain while cycling is more common than you might think. Sometimes we unintentionally torture our bodies while cycling. It's not just about the ride, it's about how we ride. Who knew that a slightly tilted seat or handlebars higher than Snoop Dogg could wreak havoc on our backs? Even the smallest misalignment can cause significant discomfort. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't work. Your bike should be an extension of your body, not a source of pain. An improper bike fit is a one-way ticket to back pain city. And once you're there, it's hard to enjoy the ride. And trust me, you don't want to live there. It's a place filled with frustration and discomfort. Add poor posture to the mix, and you've got yourself a recipe for disaster. Slouching or leaning too far forward can strain your back muscles. But fear not, my friends, because we're about to turn this pain train around. With a few adjustments and some mindful riding, you can enjoy a pain-free cycling experience. Remember that whole square peg round hole thing? It's a classic example of how things just don't fit right when they're not meant to. Well, adjusting your bike is like finding the perfect sized peg. It's all about making sure everything fits just right for your body. First things first, let's talk about your saddle. The saddle is crucial because it supports your weight and affects your posture. It should be at a height where your legs are almost fully extended at the bottom of your pedal stroke. This ensures efficient pedaling and reduces strain on your knees. Next up, those handlebars. They should be at a comfortable reach so you're not overextending or hunching. The right handlebar position can prevent back and neck pain. Think of it like giving someone a hug, not too close, not too far, just right. Your arms should be relaxed, not stretched out or cramped. A little tweak here and there can make a world of difference. Small adjustments can lead to a much more comfortable and enjoyable ride. Stretch it out. Yoga poses your back will thank you for. Stretching is like giving your body a big, warm hug. And trust me, your back needs all the love it can get after a long ride. Before you hop on your bike, try some gentle stretches like cat-cow or a simple hamstring stretch. After your ride, treat your body to some post-cycling yoga. Downward-facing dog, child's pose, and a gentle spinal twist will work wonders for your back. Think of it as a spa day for your spine. Right on. Now you can enjoy the open road pain-free. So, there you have it, folks. We've tackled the whys and hows of back pain while cycling. Comment below if you want an in-depth video on this topic. Remember, a little adjustment goes a long way, and stretching is your new best friend. Now go forth and conquer those hills, feel the wind in your hair, and most importantly, enjoy the ride without that pesky back pain. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips on how to create a healthier you.